Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I've got a delicious, natural, sweet treat that you're gonna love. These are Sun-Maid raisins, which of course everybody knows and loves because they are delicious and high quality. So this is actually a larger value size. So you get 2 of these 2-pound bags in this box, and it's super affordable and a great way to stock up on a favorite. So I love these Sun-Maid raisins because they are just naturally sweet, they are juicy and plump and delicious, and they are so easy to snack on. So of course you can add them to your recipes and use them as a natural sweetener, put them in your trail mix, whatever, but I also just love to mostly eat them right out of the bag. So if you're looking for a really great option to stock up on some raisins and satisfy your sweet tooth with something natural, then I would check out this package of Sun-Maid raisins, and that's my point of view.